Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block a website on Google Chrome for free. Chrome does not have a built-in website blocker, but you can block websites safely using free extensions. Open Chrome, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and go to Chrome Web Store. Search for block sites, and install any one of your choice or add to Chrome. Click on Add Extensions. And once it's downloaded, just close it and go to Extensions once again. Click on Block Site. Let's say that I want to block YouTube. Just type youtube.com and click on OK. And as you can see, we get a pop-up saying restricted access. Now when I try to open YouTube, it will say restricted. We have successfully blocked a website on Chrome for free using our trusted extension, so the site can no longer be accessed from your browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.